Hello friends, in the last class I taught you that how to arrange how that in introduction of interface in AutoCAD and four types of the interface where we learn about and AutoCAD classic view and 3D modeling, 3D basic and drafting and annotation view. Friends, today I will show you that how to arrange that AutoCAD classic view. There is a cursor and there are three buttons in your mouse. There is left key, right key and the scroll for the zoom and zoom in and zoom out. So your cursor, put it here. There is a blank space and right click here and go to the AutoCAD. There are many options. There are many AutoCAD panels by name. Here, just suppose I take style. That's the tools and we can put there according. Just suppose I want to put here, I'll just left, drag it and just left here. Okay, so it will set automatically. Friends, there is no doubt about that. First I have to that unlock here to the all panels. Okay, uh, I will teach you about that how to lock or unlock that is set already. Okay friends, and you can drag it by here and from here, and you can cut also. If you want to remove any tool panel, that you can drag here and can cut. Okay friends, so that way you can arrange the AutoCAD classic view. And now after you have to lock the all tool panel, anyone can disturb your panels or drag and cut. So for the security purpose you can go to the and right click here and go to the location and check to the or check to the deck to the dog tool bar oblique panel. That all will lock, or if anyone try to the drag here, can't try to that. Okay, and it will not possible because you will lock here. So that's the arrangement of the AutoCAD classic view. Friends, there are 4 to 5 settings where you have to set before starting any drawing. So first I want to introduce that. In the last class I introduced this is the taskbar, and here we have dynamic, OutRag, OSNAP and ortho. So I start to the first is ortho. Why we open here. Now I here start from the line and give the first point. Look at here the guidance bar. So look, here is 6 point and next point and next point. So it's going for only 4 direction, top, bottom and left, right. So friends, if you want to rotate here to 360 degrees, so you have to off to the ortho. So when you close to the ortho, you can put the line or draw the line in 360-degree rotation. If you on here, you can only in 4 direction you can draw the line. Okay friends, next is OSNAP. Why we open the OSNAP? OSNAP is points, background points is support to move any object or rotate or put any object to other object. So friend, how it's possible? It's any settings. I want to show you that OS and here enter. So friends, here are the many points, end point, midpoint, center point of the circle. There are 3 points in the line, which is 2 points has end point and 1 point is the end point. Okay friends, so I want to show you by the example when I draw the circle. Okay, if I want to put the circle on the line, so how do it's possible? I use the move command and select the circle, and here when move to the cursor on the line, here use circumference of the circle. There is an end point and then extension line, and here is the center point. I pick to the center point. I can put here on the line where the showing here, and I here put to the circle. If I close to the snap, just suppose I undo here, and now I close to the OSNAP and I take a move command or am enter. Friends, look at here the shortcut of move. Here am, there is a move command and enter. So you can use here and pick to the line, and you can use this here. Here friends, you can put without opening of the OSNAP. When you close here, if I put the circle on the line in the case when the ortho off, you can put here, but not on the correct option, not on the correct position. Sorry. Okay, friends. So that's why we always on the OSNAP and ortho. In that condition, on the depend on we can on or off the ortho, but ortho OSNAP will on. Okay, friends. Now next one is the OTREC. Why we on the OTREC? Now here we put the line here. If I want a rectangle, so if I close here, it's made a triangle. So if you want to make a rectangle, that here, put here the cursor and move to the cursor and the downside. Here is the green line, which is downward side. Here it say that click on the cross and close to the boundary. That you can make the rectangle or square. So why? By condition, by the condition of the OTREC when it is on. Okay, friends. So it will always on. And next one is the dynamic. Why we on the dynamic always? When I put here the line first and the second, so you can see here when I of the ortho, there you can see uh, that here make a distance and angle. For showing angle, that's why I off to the close to the ortho. There here you can see that there is a showing the angle and the distance on which button there is a dynamic option. Okay, that's why we will always on. If I close here, you can't see here, but that is on. You can see here the distance and the angle. Okay, friends, understand that here. So that is the taskbar one setting, which is a one-time setting. And just when you start any drawing, okay, in the AutoCAD, so first you have to close the grid and open the ortho. Next setting is the XY axis settings. It is not a fix. First I have a fix. Let's see here. I had fix here. Okay, friends, look at here. So when you zoom in, zoom out, friends, it move. Axis it's move, friends. So it's create a disturbance during the drawings. So first you have to fix at the corner, in the lower left corner. So I move to the cursor, and when it is get yellow, you should the right click and go to the UCS icon setting and uncheck to the UCS icon at origin. Okay, friends, it will be close and not to move. Okay, so it will fix. That's the second settings. Okay, third setting is that, friends, look here, which is the unit setting. You can type here unit. Okay, that's here, and there is the open of the unit setting format. And now you have to go to the format and the units. There is a window of the unit. If you are a mechanical engineer, so you choose the decimal. Okay, and now take the 0.000. Why? There is a unit format. You have to take a millimeter. If you work in meter or millimeter, so you should take the precision 0.000, where the 999 make, if you add the one, it make 1,000, which is similar, which is equal to the 1 meter. If you work in the centimeter, you take the 0.00, and 99 centimeter is equal to the, okay, 99 mm is equal to the 1 centimeter. Okay, friends. So, or if you are a civil engineer, you have to take architectural engineering. There is a two major difference between the engineering and architectural drawing. When you make a formal drawing with the dimensions, make a engineering drawing with the dimensions only. And if you make just example, I'm showing that here. I'm telling you, if you make a design of beam, column, slab, and so on. So there is a 4 to 5 drawings you make with the detailed drawing. So it is called the architectural drawing. So friends, here we make to the learning and take the engineering drawings. Okay, okay. One more thing here. If you are mechanical or electrical engineering, you should take the decimal degrees. Okay, friends. So here I disturb you. So I take engineering, and now here take I 0 feet 0.0 inch. If here is 1 dash on the 0, it is called feet, and 0.0 there is a double dash, that is called the inch sign. Okay, friends. So I take two parts of the inch. If I show the example like 2 feet 0.5 inch. Okay, friends, that's the length settings. And next setting is angular setting. So here should be at decimal degrees, and